Hello and welcome to Hearing Healthcare Centre. We all know sleeping is a vital part of life. Though it provides a plethora of health benefits including reduced blood pressure, increased memory and keeping your heart healthy, around 20 million Britons, a third of the population, don't get enough sleep. This is often attributed to strenuous work hours and late night partying, but a lot of older people do neither and still aren't able to get a good night's sleep. It's fairly well known that 8 hours is the recommended amount of time to spend in bed, but even people who get their full 8 hours are often left feeling tired, and this is caused predominantly by noise pollution. It's been clinically proven that noises in the night disrupt sleep by activating the brain and interrupting important sleep cycles. In fact, research in Europe by the World Health Organization has revealed noise disturbance during sleep can cause very real health side effects. Studies show that children and the elderly are most susceptible to noises in the night affecting their sleep. Often, people use noise machines which generate white noise. For your information, here is a sample of white noise. Having a continuous sound as opposed to abrupt sounds like birds and cars can actually have a positive effect on sleep, as it drowns out all of the more abrupt sounds. Many people who live with tinnitus use noise machines to help alleviate the constant internal ringing they hear. As more external sound is introduced, less internal sound tinnitus is perceived. For the most part, for whatever reason, a third of the population still don't get enough sleep. But what if there was a way to get that perfect night's sleep every night? Here at Hearing Healthcare Centre, we make a variety of noise protection. Check out our noise protection series if you're interested, and one of the more common plugs we make are sleep plugs. Sleep plugs are filterless plugs with an attenuation of around 25 decibels. This is plenty enough to suppress any abrupt sounds throughout the night. Sleep plugs differ from motorcycle and swim plugs you'll find in our other videos, mainly due to the plugs needing to be flexible and elastic. Since most people turn over during the night, full shell molds like those used for motorcycle and shooting plugs are not practical and would be very uncomfortable. For this reason, sleep plugs are hollowed out to allow them movement. This means that no matter how much you toss and turn in the night, you won't even notice they're in. As you can see, sleep plugs only really occupy your ear canal and meatus, unlike full shell plugs which occupy the entire bowl of your ear all the way to the top of your helix. If you or anybody you know struggles with getting a good night's sleep, sleep plugs are definitely worth investing in. For more information on sleep plugs, check out our content-rich website at www.hearinghealthcarecentre.co.uk. If you found the video informative, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful hearing-related content. We'll see you in the next video.